Hi there, students. To snout out, a phrasal verb. A snout, a noun. Okay, to snout out, to discover something. I tried to snout out a definition of this phrasal verb, but I couldn't find it anywhere in any of the dictionaries. But I've definitely heard this phrase used informally, London slang, to snout something out. Do you think you could snout out some food? Yeah, go and find. Okay, the snout is the nose and mouth of an animal. For example, a pig or a dog. It's something that sticks out. Okay, so yeah, the snout of an animal. You could also use a snout to refer to somebody's nose. He's got a massive, great big snout. Keep your snout out of my affairs. A snout can also be a police informer. Yeah, and a snout snouts out information for the police. And finally as well, snout can actually be an informal British word for tobacco. I've heard this particularly in prison films and things like that. Have you got any snout? Have you got any tobacco? Okay, so to snout something out, to try to discover it. Do you think you could snout out my brother? He's somewhere around here, but I just don't know where he is. Do you think you could snout out a cup of coffee for me? Yeah, go and find one and bring it back for me. Yeah, use your nose to find effectively. And this is the idea of to snout out. Okay, so the snout, the nose of an animal. A police informer. Yeah, a police snout. One of my snouts gave me some very interesting information. You could also have the snout, meaning the nozzle of a pipe where, for example, water comes out. So put the snout of the hose in the bucket and we'll fill it up. Okay? And then this informal word meaning tobacco as well. But I definitely had to make this video about snout out, because to me it was very clear that this word is not in the dictionaries, and it certainly should be. Okay, so do you think you could snout out some information about this for me? Yeah, use your snout, your nose, the nose of an animal, to snout something out. Okay, this word snout, I think if you're talking about an animal, the snout of a dog, this is a 5 informality. But I think if you use it to talk about somebody's nose, this is a 4 informality. To snout out, 3.5 informality. Tobacco, snout, 3 informality. A snout, a police informer, 3 informality again. Okay, so not to be used in anything but an informal conversation or maybe an informal note. Okay, so to snout out, to discover. Let's see, the origin of this word snout probably comes from Middle Dutch or Low German, snoot, meaning the snout of an animal or the nose. Okay, and then it even comes from the Proto-Germanic snootaz, meaning the snoot or the nose again. Okay, so if you manage to snout out a dictionary that does include this phrasal verb, I'd be really anxious to know. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To snout out with your snout. So enjoy. Bye for now.